Managing benefits with Deel is a game changer for businesses that want to streamline their employee benefits process, especially if you're managing a remote team or working across different countries. Whether you're a startup or an established company, Deel gives you the flexibility and power to manage benefits efficiently. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how to make the most of this software. Plus, an exclusive bonus you won't want to miss. Deel simplifies the complex world of managing employee benefits, from health insurance to retirement plans for businesses of any size. You can easily set up benefits packages for your team tailored to local requirements and preferences, which is crucial when you're managing employees across multiple regions. Deel makes it incredibly easy to stay compliant with local laws, which can be a nightmare if you're working internationally. Once you're logged into Deel, you'll first want to set up your benefits package. Deel allows you to create custom benefits plans for each of your employees, which is especially useful if you have remote employees working in different countries. By integrating with Deel, you can offer competitive benefits that keep your team happy, from healthcare and wellness programs to equity compensation. To manage benefits with Deel, navigate to the Benefits section on your dashboard. Here, you can customize what types of benefits you want to offer and choose which ones will apply to each employee. Deel makes it easy to input different plans, including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. And you can offer these in multiple currencies. Another powerful feature of Deel is its ability to manage local compliance. Deel automatically updates the benefit packages to comply with laws in each employee's country, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with constantly changing regulations. You can easily track the status of each benefit for all employees in one place. Now here's a pro tip. Deel allows you to track and manage multiple employee benefits at once, so you won't have to waste time juggling spreadsheets. You can also integrate Deel with your existing payroll system, which means that benefits contributions will be automatically deducted and paid on time. But what about scalability? Whether you have 5 employees or 500, Deel grows with your business. You can add new benefits options, adjust plans as your team evolves, and ensure that everyone's coverage is updated according to your company's needs. If you're new to Deel, I recommend setting up a test employee account to explore the benefits dashboard. This gives you a hands-on way to see how Deel works in real time and how quickly you can set up benefits packages. It's user-friendly, intuitive, and saves you a ton of time. And the best part, Deel offers a completely free version of the software, so you can get started without any upfront costs. The first link in the description below will take you to an exclusive, extended free trial, where you can try all the features, including benefits management, risk-free. By using Deel for managing employee benefits, you're not only saving time, but also ensuring that you stay compliant with regulations in every market where you have employees. Plus, the process of adding and managing benefits is streamlined so that you can focus on other important aspects of your business, like growth and expansion. Remember, if you're looking for a tool that can handle all your global benefits management needs, Deel is the way to go. Click the link below for your extended free trial and get started today.